morning, my Benzinga family. What's up? Yeah, we got a little market down at 373 in that, just in case. In Myrna. One second, guys and girls. Round and round. Yes. How is everybody this morning? We do not see a heck of a whole lot going around. Boom, chakalaka laka. We're watching Myrna. I put a little bid down on the pivot point down at 373. Maybe we get a far from moving average trade right out of the gate ski. We shall see. Excellent. Okay, good. All right. Yes, Myrna could gap there in 2 seconds easily. Myrna has wrecked me. Yeah. Any strategy for playing SoFi? Yes, I am still long SoFi, guys and girls. My average is 1565. However, we only have about 10% of our position left because we sold stock at 1650 and 1750 after the earnings came out. So remember, always take profits no matter what. So I'm just hanging out. I got a very, very small position now, which I will add to at $14 and lower. So that's where we are in SoFi. TVTX, drug stock, has some news. We put a little tiny bid down on a trend to see if it holds early. Sono's in action this morning. We got a bid down $2. We'll keep our eyes on that one. Is Sono shortable, guys? Let's take a peek. Morning, everybody. Morning. Sono is shortable, yeah. Probably can, but we wait. We spike up to 45 in Sono. That could be a little shorty. Yes, Sono is a long-term. Again, guys, I don't give anybody financial advice. Everything we do is for demonstration purposes only, yada, 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 yada. But SoFi is one of my long-term holdings that I will be adding to if it goes lower from here. That is correct. But again, even my long-term holdings, guys, we trade around them. NTAP. The earnings came out. The thing spiked up to $17.50. We had a $2 profit, so we took most of it. Yeah, NTAP's in a little downtrend here, Nance. See if it continues that downtrend. God, can anyone see anything this morning? It is so dead. CVAC, yeah, we saw that. It's moving a little bit. No volume, though. Yeah, around 61 maybe on a pullback. What are you apprehensive about, Jim? There's just not a heck of a whole lot going on. You know? Yeah, I mean, my guess is the market probably shakes off this news like it does every other news, right? I mean, that's just what it does. The market never goes down. Stocks only go up. So it seems. Bob is down a little bit. So what are we looking at? Coin? Coin just bounced right up off that 65 EMA. This is one of the last vacation weeks, guys. Okay, so it's probably going to be very slow this week, is my guess. Got a couple weeks left before Labor Day, right? Yeah, I'm with you. Just let us know you jump into any of these things. Maybe we get the Myrna out of the gate. I guess that's the one we'll concentrate on. Let's see what happens. Neo, new lows and bad news. Yeah. 39.40 Neo. Wow. Wow. TTCF is a cheap little one that looks all right. Bonds are up pre-market. And bonds are up pre-market. NTAP could set away far from moving average. Just check the spread in it, though. Myrna might be the only one we get a little shot early. Let's see what happens. Myrna, Bo Burner. Do it, Myrna. Do it. Do it. All right. We got a little Myrna at 373. Very small. Myrna, if you get $2, just take it. Holy crap. Myrna just gave $3, guys. $4. Adam Myrna at 376.80 from 373. Holy mackerel. You guys got it? Damn, and that's my day. Holy crap. All right, good. We just got $3.50 out of that trade early. All right, guys. 369. Let's put a marker. We'll look for a moving average trade now. 369. Again, this one will just be far from moving average. We're not buying it. But 369, we're going to be 11 points away from the moving average. We'll go to the 1 minute and try to catch a little if we get there. Yes, got to have that flatten button out there. Do it, Myrna. All right, let's go to Myrna. If we get a little green bar, we'll buy a tiny little bit. Not yet. We don't want it to go up too high either. We bought some at 369. It made a low at 366. Nah, we ain't getting it. All right, just take $3 profit from 369. Should get out of 372 in Myrna. $365, I'm definitely buying a little bit. Yes, that was nice. Putting out a little real order at 365, 10 shares. Then we'll go far from moving average. 369 went up $3, right? Boom, chakalaka laka. TVTX. Kind of just sitting doing nothing right now. All right. Yeah, I'm on a 1 minute. Hold on. All right. I mean, if you think it's going to hold the trend, 1980 was the spot. I like to give it a few minutes. Yeah, we're out at 372 in Myrna. I'm leaving 365 out in Myrna. UPST. NVIDIA. Yes, NVIDIA, big smack up. Walmart, big smack up. Yes. My favorite stock, UPST. Look, if we get above like 210, 220 in UPST, we're going to start looking to short a little bit. I'll be like 6 days in a row up, right? Facebook. I made you out of clay. Facebook short, 366.20. Yes. Facebook, 366.20. Short. I like it. I like it. All right, Myrna again, guys. Woohoo! Add a little Myrna at 363, and then we'll try to get far from moving average. We'll try. 363, 361. All right, we're going Myrna now. 1 minute. Let's go. Come on. We bought 365 and 363. All right, let's start selling a little at 366.50. 366.57. Out. Oh my God, I'm buying stock instead of selling it here, guys. Are you kidding me? Sell, sell, sell. How am I buying stock? All right, I'm out at 368. Boom, chaka-laka-laka, Myrna. Oh, my God. So we bought 365, 363. We sold 368. Holy mackerel. Yes, it's an ATM. Wow, TVTX, guys. Anyone get the trend down there? I got it a little bit, right? 1990. Let's take $1 in TVTX. Wow. Boom, chaka-laka-laka. All right. Anyone get TVTX down there on the trend line? Very nice. Holy Myrna. Facebook miss. Ah, come on. Facebook missed by 9 cents, guys. Drip looks good. I'll take a look. ALB. We'll take a look. eBay. Guys, when something like Myrna is going on, that's our concentration. I don't want to go anywhere else. It's been a money-making machine for a while. So you can see you can just trade at very small shares. Half my room is done for the day already. I want to leave out 353 in Myrna just in case. That's a pivot point also. Crazy Myrna. And I kept buying stock instead of selling it. I should have made $200 on my little 30 shares. Coin. Ooh, coin hit the 260 level, guys. 260.50. Gave you $1. My goal is 500. I'm up $1,244. I think I should leave. Kurt, cut your size significantly and just hang out. All right? Try to add little bits to it. Gabish? I mean, it's 9:37. We're trading for 7 minutes. Half the room's done. All right. FITB for my FitB looks like a better short than buy. I would not be buying it. ALB. I don't see any levels in ALB. Again, guys, everything that we do is based on technical analysis, right? Well, today was more on my experience, basically. Yeah, PayPal looks really good to the long side. 276. Yeah, we got 276.30 in PayPal. Good job, JB. You must be following what we're doing in some way, shape, or form. 276.30 and then 277.80 I really like. 277.80. Guys, we got short the market for the first time last week, and we're up about 50 cents on our VIXY. Remember that now. VIXY is not something we're going to hold forever. If we make $1 on it or something, we'll just get out. Apple. Yeah, I mean, Apple's just a buy. I would not be short in Apple. Apple's a buy forever. Just buy any really big dips in it and forget about it. Coin gave the one trade, Nestor. Now I would look for lower levels in coin. All right, 257 coin. Jim, you got 75 cents in your VIXY trade. Good. Excellent. How about coin, guys? A little 257 for a marker. The reason we're putting markers out early in the morning, guys and girls, is because we don't want to get caught in anything. If it gets to our levels, we go look. 257 coin. Small. Shop. A little expensive for us, shop, but a much better buy than sell on a pullback. HYRE. I wouldn't mess with HYRE. Not something we're going to trade. AMC, unless it really does something stupid. I don't like that one either. Myrna at 352.80. We could probably be aggressive, guys. If it spikes all the way down there for a trade. I mean, how could it not bounce off that? Famous last words, right? Yeah. I'm putting 25 shares in Myrna out down at 353. I think we get a huge bounce off that. Well, you know what? We'll go for the far from moving average. There's no reason to change our strategy. Shares 353. But if it holds that, I think you get a quick $3-4 bounce. So, let you guys know. 360 was the weekly opening. We almost just got there. Oh, stand up straight, David. Zion. Good morning. Smash that like button. You were able to set markets for when you want to sell a stock that you bought shares. Correct, Nicholas. In Myrna, we got in with limit orders and sold it with market orders once it rose to the levels that we wanted to sell. Zion, I don't see a lot of Zion, volume in Zion. I wouldn't concentrate on that one, Nancy. And Facility looks like a better short to me if we can get a rally. A better short if we get a rally. Apple is very strong, yes. Coin relative strength. Let's look. Myrna just printed the fall from moving average. You kidding me? Let's look. Yeah, kind of. 360, 180 kind of bounced, yes. Let's see. Coin a better short. Yes, coin's a better short. Yes. PayPal was the short that we got a little. Yeah, PayPal, first time up, hit that 277 and went down almost 75 cents. Yes. I do not think that Myrna is done going down, guys. Let's see what happens. Uh-oh, UPST, my favorite stock in the world. Guys, we got to start looking UPST for some puts. That's what I think. But it is a trend trade. But also, we're putting a short out at 212. Small to start. This is getting really stretched out. Small, small, small at 212. Don't panic out. That's going to be $11 above the moving average. How do you get your upper box screen order and P&L tab? Depends on I'm using Interactive Brokers. And when you go to look on the main page, it'll tell you portfolio. And then you could bring that up. eBay's a better buy than sell, guys. Without a doubt. Might be able to get a fall from moving average trade in UPST. I got it out small at 212 and 213. TVXT, let's look what you guys are doing. TVTX. What are you guys bidding in TVTX, Ken? You got a little pullback somewhere there? What do you got? Keep in mind, this thing could just be dead for the rest of the day now. Right? 15-minute trend? Okay. What is it? All right. You got 1935 and 1860. All right. We just missed UPST, guys. Kiss my tookus. Oh, we got in now. All right. And I'm going to add small to this. Bidding 211.10. And I'm going to start to try to find the far from moving average trade. Get above 214. I'm bidding 1250 and 211.10. 1250 to 1110. Problem is with this one, it's like 50-cent spread. But we're going to stay with it small. Start getting a little redonkadonks. Bought a little at 212.50. Trying to cover the balance at 211.10. I just got here my first time, Dave. Do you want to use Benzinga with software? We use Benzinga for our, and we are out of UPST. Nice trade, guys. Nice trade in UPST. Benzinga I couldn't trade without because it is the best source for our news and our scanners. But I'll use Interactive Brokers for my trades. Everybody get a little UPST short up there, guys? Work for a couple of bucks. Boom. That was a nice spot. Nice spot in UPST, baby. Myrna's still coming. Coin missed the short at 263. All right, look, let's just leave our Myrna where we are, 353. It still can get there, guys. I love Interactive Brokers for trading, guys. Yeah. Tesla, what do we got? I just see a downtrend in Tesla. 690 Tesla is good. 690. Guys, did anyone get the UPST? It's worked for $4 now. UPST. I mean, look, it got a little bit above 212. We added it 213, and it's down $4. I will do Myrna in a larger size, Sebastian, if it gets there. I just want to see if it gets there first, because usually it could spike down $1 or $2 below. Smashed it like for these awesome trades. Yeah, I mean, UPST was a home run. Jeez Louise. Canceling coin. So the reason we wanted to start shorting UPST, guys, is because we had a pivot point up there at 212. Now we know it's going to go through that. So we did 212, 213. I was trying to do 214. So we had a 212.50 average, which worked out to a nice little trade right now. You guys ever have those days where you got to just close out the charts to avoid babysitting? If you're in for longer term trades, Trent, then yeah. But we're just looking for fast trades, which we've had 3 of already this morning that made multiple dollars. I'd rather stick with Myrna, guys, than BNTX. It's the same thing. And we know Myrna better, right? So I'd rather stick with Myrna. Now, UPST. Holy crap. Down $5 UPST. Yeah, I don't like it either. So 203.20 now, guys. In UPST, we buy small. 203.20. That's the trend. It'll be down $10. 203.20. Got 203.20 and then 201. Man, that was the short of the century. TVTX with Ken. Let's see what he's got. 1790. Oh, yeah, all over that. Yeah, I didn't like the TVXT there, and it gave you a look, guys. Nancy, we got in TVXT and took $1 out of the trade early. Okay, that was one of the trades that we did. We got in at this 1990 and took $1 out. Should not be in that stock again. That was it. TVTX, we're going to go. Let's go at 18 small, and if it holds that, we can size up. So everything we put out a little feeler on, so we don't get caught in anything. Guys, yes, we did, Nancy. I announced it. I said, let's take $1 out of the trade. Guys, did everybody hear me when we got into TVXT? I said, let's take $1 out of the trade. I sold it. I said it. I said it loud and clear. All right, no big deal. Moving on. But I know I said it. Yeah, PayPal short's working nicely. Guys, was anyone in a TVXT trade that got out of it when I said to? Jim? Yes. Yeah, everybody did. All right, Myrna. Yeah, Myrna's bouncing. I mean, Myrna's a short if we get up to that 370 level now. Yes. No, I like 370, so. That's the trend. I mean, you're talking up $13. I would short Myrna at 370. Today has been hot to every single trade a winner. All right, let's not talk about it now. UPST. Yeah, well, we got the top of that one, Will. No, Nancy, I'm not. No, I'm mad that you lost money, Nancy. No. I'm not mad that you're losing money. I'm mad that you lost money because I wanted you to get out when we did. No, everybody else did. Everybody else that got in the trade sold it when I said to. All right, let's move on. We'll get it back. Next. TVTX. That we're going sideways now. Yeah, VIXI's getting some legs. All right, look, if we get $1 on some VIXI, I'm going to sell some, right? Our average is 26.72. We'll sell a little at 27.40 VXX just to put some money in the bank. Nancy, I was not yelling at you. Please. I was not yelling at you in any way, shape, or form. I was yelling. Okay, do what you got to do. I was yelling because I know for a fact that I told everybody to get out of the trade. That's all. Wasn't yelling at you. All right, we sold a little bit of VXX here, guys. Put some money in the bank. Yes, I'm trying to help you. The whole team got the trade. I don't know why you didn't hear me. I apologize. Tell me what you lost on the trade. I'll give you the money back. All right, and let's move on. Yes, I'm buying some SoFi at 14. Small again. Very small. Down to 10% of my trade, so I don't mind adding to it down here. Okay, SoFi, boom. Yeah, listen. The market was due for a tiny little pullback. That's all. Especially with what's going on in Afghanistan and everything. It was due. But VIXI is not something that you hold on to for a long term. It's a trade. And that's all it is. It's just a trade. Yeah, I don't think we're getting UPST. Let's cancel that for now. I have no idea where SoFi is going to. Again, guys and girls, if you were with us, our average in SoFi was 1565. We sold 90% of our trade, 1650 to 1750. We have 10% of our trade left, and I'm adding to it for a long-term hold. Facebook. Ooh. We trust it down here, Kent? 362.30 is nice. All right, let's try it. Facebook on this pop down. 362.30. Unless the whole market's completely falling apart. Oh, we just bought it. All right, we'll give it 50 cents. Facebook, 362.40. We bought. If we get a bounce from here. I sell a little at 362.60 if we get back up. 362.60. Need a little bounce in the market. Little bounce. Trying Myrna short at 366. All right. Anyone in Sono on the 200? Yeah, got the 40.60. All right. Round and round. What goes around comes around. Anyone in Sono down there? Could get a little trade out of it. Geez, any bounce in this market, and Facebook's going back to 363. We just need a little bounce. We ain't getting it yet. Holy UPST. All right. You got 280 and 200. UPST. I can try a little bit of UPST down here, guys. I'm going to buy 20 shares for a bounce. I bought a tiny bit of UPST down here. Very small. Let's go 198. Small again. Yeah, market just falling apart here. Again, I'm just keeping this very small. The market's falling apart. The market's falling apart. The market's falling apart. 197 in UPST. Keep it very small. You got out of Facebook? All right. And we're only down 9 cents in Facebook. Actually, we're up now. Just need a little tiny bounce. Little tiny bounce. Upslot, here's the spot to buy it now, guys. 195.50. 195.50. Oh, you got to be kidding, UPST. All right, we sold a little Facebook. I missed the sale on UPST. 197.50. Almost far from moving average in UPST now. Get a little green bar in here. I'm going to add to it. Trying to sell some at 197.50. $197.50, 198.10. We try to sell a little UPST. Sold a little at 197.50. We still got a tiny bit of Facebook. Coin was a beautiful short. All right. Facebook is breaking even here. I mean, the buy was 194.50 in freaking UPST. 194.50. Give Facebook another minute here. UPST breaks the lows. Yeah, well, it's very, very small, UPST. Let's sell a little more Facebook if we get up to 32.80. Facebook selling a little more up here. 32.75. 32.75. Sell a little more Facebook. It's good. All right, guys. Put a little more UPST here. Just keep your stops in this thing. It blooms off the rose in this. I don't know why, but all of a sudden this thing's getting a smackdown. Put a little more at 194.50. Keep your stops. Almost far from moving average down here now. Anyone see news out in this thing or anything? Just got a little green bar. If we get back up to 195.50, we'll sell a little bit. $195.50. No screen? You're kidding me. Hold on. All right. From 194.50, we sold a little 195.50. Now I have a break-even stop if we get back down there, 194.50. Break-even stop, 194.50, guys. We sold some more Facebook. Gonna sell a little if we get to 196 in UPST. 195 stop now in UPST. That's it. We'll look for something else. It's really got to get back above 196. If it can't, it's got some problems. All right, sold a little at 196. Same thing, 195 stop. UPST. All right, should be out of UPST. 191.16, Kent. I like it. 191.16 UPST is the 4-hour. Grab a little of that. 191.16 with a stop. Good sale at 195, guys. 191.20. Up, moved. All right. 190.70. 190.70. Good. 190.70. Well, this was due for this, guys. Right? Today was a day to short the frickin' thing. 5 days in a row up. Like 190.70. Coin. Myrna. Coin, if you bought 257, just keep a tight stop now. It's bouncing off there. Myrna. Yeah, Myrna still looks like crap. Myrna still looks like crap. TVTX. Let's look. All right. Do we like 18 in TVTX, guys? Do we like 18 in TVTX? That is the question. I don't like it. Let's do it. TVTX. TVTX. BTBT, I'll get there. BTBX 18, guys. We'll try it small. If it holds, we can size up a little bit for a trade. All right. Burn is still dead. UPST. Dead. Dead, but going lower. Certainly looks like. And holding this level would be like getting to a short. Which one? Snap down 4.5%. Got it. Got it. Got it. Got it. I'm good. Tesla. Again, Tesla's not holding any levels here. I mean, it's trying to bounce off this pivot point, but I don't see it. Be careful. I don't see much bouncing. Facebook, we probably just flatten out here, right, guys? I mean, we sold most of the Facebook for a nice profit. Let's get out of this. We made money in Facebook. That thing's going lower. Net, we made money. Tesla. Yeah, Tesla looks like a better short. Honestly, Myrna looks like a better short. We sold some VIXy at a good time. I mean, Myrna 352, maybe, guys. That far from moving average. Can't believe we missed a short in Facebook. It went down $3. Right? 352, Myrna. Good. All right, let me know, guys, if we still like the TVTX. All right. Ken, what's your number in your UPST? I have 189. What do you got? You got a, what's that? 190.70. Yes, that's the 4 hour. All right, good. Yeah, we like that. Let me just get a marker, though. Tesla has an investigation. Thank you, guys. I appreciate that. UPST 190.70. Good. We never had more than 30 shares of the UPST, so PVTX. Slow. Everything is slow, slow, slow. Gotcha. What can? XPEV? I don't know. XPEV is a short, right? Give me a level to buy it, but otherwise I think it's a short. No? I don't see it. Burner, Bo Burner. All these things look like shorts. Ken, what's DT? I don't know what that means. Oh, downtrend. Thank you. Neo at 38. Sono, let's look. Neo, why do you like 38? I got 37.60 in Neo. God, Neo looks horrible on a daily chart, guys. Really does. 35 Neo. That's a spot, guys. I mean, for me, anyway. All right, Upstart. We got 10 shares at 190.70. Now we're going to look for a moving average. Keep it. Don't even add to it. I'm just hanging out here. The next spot to really buy this is 188. So let's just relax. 188 is the next spot. And if we get $1, take it at 191.50, guys. 191.70. Just take it. On 91.70. Now, did you take $1, guys? Went right up to 191.50. Nice job, Ken. Of course, I missed getting out, but it went straight up $1. Good. Good. 188 is the next level now. 188. And then we can look for a moving average. Got to be in and out real quick. But very nice. Let's try 188 again, guys. 188. SQ, you got a far from moving average? Nice. Now, NVAX is setting up for a far from moving average. Not there yet. Pivot point in what, Julian? NVAX? Myrna? All right. Again, Myrna's a marker at 352. A marker. I'm not buying any of these stocks, guys. I'm looking for far from moving average trades. That is it. Okay. They will get a nice bounce at some point. I don't know where from. but they will. UPST bouncing. Yeah, not really. Bounced like 50 cents. Not done bounce. It's not done, I don't think. Myrna's still going down. Myrna's got a 15 RSI, guys. So if we get to that 352, I think we can get a bounce in Myrna. All right, look at the RSI in Myrna, and we're almost 10 points away from the moving average. Far from moving trade is one of our trading setups. Let's go look for Myrna. I mean, it's a 50-cent spread in Myrna, but just threw in a little green bar if we want to try a tiny bit here with a stop. Let's see if it gets down to 252. Let's wait till it gets to our levels, and then we'll look. You know? $0.50 spread in Myrna, too. Peloton. Oh, Peloton at 107.80. Getting close. Myrna's still coming in. I'm coming up. I want the world to know that I love you so. You missed UPST? Yeah, we did. All right. How about Myrna? I think Myrna just turned 2, guys. Not really. Not really yet in Myrna. Let's watch it. Anyone doing anything? Solly, what are you doing? Are you here? When I don't hear from you in Myrna and stuff like this, it makes me nervous. What are you doing? Still sell short, Myrna? I didn't see that post. Oh, we're waiting. We're waiting now. Oh, I got out of the UPST at 190.170. Oh, pre-market? All right. TVTX. Yeah, I don't like TVTX anymore, guys. Upstart bounced. Oh, I got short upstart. Because I left my original order out there. Got it. Myrna, no bounce yet, guys. So we haven't missed anything in Myrna yet. Roblex, low, way overboard. Low jumping up. Might have just got it there in Myrna, guys. This is an easy one to get far from moving average. It still hasn't given a green bar, and it just went up $1. So bottom line, 352 was a spot to just buy it. We didn't quite get there. Didn't quite get there. I don't know. I don't think these things are going lower, guys and girls. This market sucks if you're long some of these things, Givo. Gavin. I don't like PayPal here. It's not really bouncing. Myrna's not bouncing at all. Question is, where do they bounce from? I mean, Myrna's got a 13 RSI, right? 13. I can't figure where they're going to bounce from. You know? can't figure it out. I mean, we're $10 away from the moving average in Myrna. How about we just start at 351, $10 away. Very small, 5 shares. We got to try and find the far from moving average. Yeah, they'll bounce for a trade. Yes, they will bounce for a trade. I don't know if they're going to bounce and keep going up, but they will bounce for a trade at some point. And they will bounce hard. Yeah, but 50 cents in Myrna is nothing. I mean, there was the spot to buy it, maybe. We finally got a green bar at about, what, 352.30? But it's no bounce. Again, we'll try a little at 351, and then we'll look far from moving average. Yeah, I know, net. I'm just looking for a bounce. Oh, come on. You're kidding me. I put in 10 shares at 351, and I bought 100 shares of Myrna. Oh, you got to be kidding me. I meant to buy 10 shares. I bought 100. Oh, we got it at 351. Let's see if we get a bounce from here. Start selling a little at 352.50. Maybe we'll get the bounce now. Sold a little at 352.80. Sold a little at 353, guys. Selling more up here. That was the bounce, guys. Boom. Selling more here. Down to 30 shares, guys. That was a spot. That was a spot to get out of it all, too. That was a spot. Upside is flying to the upside. That was the in and out in Myrna. That was your big bounce. Got the 352 and change. Upside is flying now? You got to be kidding. Wow. No, that was the far from moving average trade in that one, right? Yep. Finally hit. So we got that at about 189.50 was the spot. 189.50. The dots are pivot points. Pivot points. We can show you how to put them up in a little bit. Wow, the upside far from moving average work, guys. It was just 189.50. But you got a couple of bucks out of Myrna. Myrna still looks like it's going lower, though, to me, right? Facebook, hold on. Slow down, guys. Wow. Wasn't Facebook $366 this morning? Jeez Louise. Yeah, I mean, we had 197.70 in UPST, but again, it wasn't really a great bounce. I mean, the pivot point was 188. That's where we were bidding. It got to 188.28. 188.28 it got to. No, Deuce. Deuce, it's a margin account. So I can trade Myrna 50 times today if I want. Interactive brokers, I have margin. So I have $100,000 in buying power at any point that I want. Myrna 325. Yeah, I don't think we're getting a 325. I mean, I knew UPST was going to give a $5 bounce. It gave a $10 bounce. 188. We had 187.14 was a spectacular level. And it went up $8. Tesla getting ready for a bounce, maybe? Yeah. Again, we knew they were all going to bounce. Just finding the spot was hard to do it. Well, BNTX just did the Myrna thing. Same thing, but not a lot. Actually, BNTX was better than Myrna, right? QQQ 360-180. Let's look, Lou. Oh, that would be all over that. That's not going to happen. How come the VIXI's not even going up, guys? Right? Just tells you that nobody's afraid this market's going down. I can tell you that right now. Nobody. Coin 250. Yes, I like it. TVTX. I don't know. We missed it. Didn't get to our 18 TVTX, John, so I would wait now. Myrna's making new lows. These things are just not going to bounce yet. Obviously, they're shorts, but they got to get to levels. Do we have anything in Myrna anywhere? Let's go to the daily. Nope, we ripped through the daily. Weekly is 324 in Myrna. A lot of people got caught in this thing in the last week or so too, right? TVTX bounced off the 30-minute. Well, I didn't see it posted, but okay. Baba. Baba, we got 179.20. I like that in Baba. If we get there. 179.20. Ah, gotcha. I got you. Coin 257.20 short trend. Yes. Leaving early. Hit go early. Thank you. I like that, Nestor. And Baba, I think it's just a short. I sure did, but I'll get it. What are you talking about, Kraft? SQ. SQ bounced off that 257 pivot point, guys. Alex, did you get that down there? Look at that. Right off 258 for $1.50 in SQ. Boom. 349 in what, Nuabi? Do I think Wish will bounce? Personally, no. I think the bloom is off the rose in Wish. I hope no people aren't caught on it. Burner just went up $4. Probably just gave the fall for moving average trade there. Round and round. What goes around comes around. Wow, Myrna just bounced $5. All right. It was due. Did it give the 1 minute is the question? Yeah, it did. Right around 350. Right? Right around 350 perfectly. This is the fall from moving average trade. So guys and girls, when we get a relative strength that gets close to 20, and the stock is really far from its moving average, as soon as we see this green bar, we buy it. So it worked here for $2, and it worked here for $2 or $3. That's the far from moving average trade. We switch to a 1-minute chart, and we go looking. Ay, ay, ay. You didn't get out on Friday, Steve? No, I would not buy it here. No. Hang out. I mean, did you get out of it now? I would not buy it back now. No, not yet. I mean, you just don't have anything technical here. 325 is the next spot weekly, which I would buy that. Definitely. Don't take positions in these things overnight, Steve. You can't do it. AMC, $1 pop. Yeah, it just did AMC. Well, we had a level down at 32.10 in AMC, which I would have liked to have buy. Got greedy waiting for Roblex at 79. Yeah, but you still might get a shot at 79. It still looks like a better short. SQ is a better short now, yes. No, we got no live orders at the moment. Myrna's heading back down. I don't see it. Yeah, me too. I hate that. Docs. Short docs, double top 80. I like it. I like it. I like it. I like it, Luke. If it gets up there, it's good. It's good. It's good, it's good, it's good. EST looking to reverse. I could do it. Yeah, I would not short UPST, guys. No. I would not short UPST. Nope. I mean, that was a beautiful far from moving average trade. We were bidding 188. We missed it by 28 cents, right? 28 cents we missed it by. FLGC. What do you got? You like 1750 in FLGC? Yeah, I like that. FLGC 1760. Be aggressive there, Lou, if it holds. I mean, that's down $1 from here. Yes, it's my phone. What we did, guys and girls, just so everybody knows, is we had too many visitors in the room for a long time. I was having 50, 60 extra visitors. So what we're doing now is the link, we closed the room to visitors for the time being. So today's our first day of going over. But, you know, if you guys are interested in coming to visit me, just send me an email at dgreen927@yahoo.com, and I can let you guys in on a limited basis. dgreen927@yahoo.com for those of you who want to get a trial. But we were just having too many visitors at the same time, so we changed the link. We gave it only to our paying customers. So I can let people in, you know, once in a while. Send me an email. We'll work it out. dgreen927@yahoo.com if you want to come in and hang out for a few days. Yeah, that's what you got to do, Steve. But, you know, just in the future, remember, don't take it, especially a stock like Myrna. Why would you want to hold that overnight? Whatever. Again. Everybody pushes their own buttons. My advice is just, you got to move on now, right? There's nothing you can do about it. So you got to move on. Next trade, you'll build it all back up again, right? Just don't do anything out of the ordinary now to try to get that back. That's all. Slow and steady. And you will. You will. Even with the bad trade today, that one bad trade we have, guys, it's a green day for everybody. AMC 34.96. Ken, what do you got? How come I got 34.70 in AMC? Yeah. If it goes fast, I like it. Yeah, hang in there, Steve. We'll get it back. Just got to get back to the discipline and do the right thing on every trade. Yeah, GameStop and AMC both just rippy-dippied. I don't know why. I don't know why. No, last week was the last, Goose, but there are people that I will still give a free trial to. And look, people come and go in the room all the time. So when I lose somebody, I can replace them. I'm just giving the option if anyone wants to email me. And when I have a space available for a trial, they can come in for the trial. That's all. Course is always available with our mentorship on Thursday nights. Meet Kevin said to hold Myrna. Who's Meet Kevin? And to hold from where is the question. You know what I'm saying? To hold from where? From 420 last week? $500 last week? Or to hold from if you just bought it right here? Big difference. Email is dgreen927@yahoo.com. dgreen927@yahoo.com. The course is at Wall Street Global Trading Academy. The course is $447. You can do it in 3 payments, and you get my mentorship every Thursday night forever as long as you have purchased the course. That's Wall Street Global Trading Academy. He said it will just keep going up. Yeah, but it's gone down 150 points. So what does that mean? Myrna, I would not short here, guys. Yeah, 362 Myrna. Cancel flag for now. Yes, everything's starting to raise a little bit. Right? If we look at Myrna now, we just went up 10 points. Look, did I not say these things are going to bounce 10 points at some point? I just couldn't get the exact bottom. Myrna just did it. UPST, I'm sure, bounced 10 points. Yeah, look at UPST, guys. I mean, really? It's up 15 points from the lows. 15 points. Yep, they all are. But as a trader, they weren't easy trades to find the bottom. You know, if we were a little patient with our positions when we got in, we'd be making a fortune right now. But then again, they could have kept going down from there, and that's it. So who knows? But we did say they were going to get a big bounce. TTCF, Tattooed Chef. I don't know. It's not something I would trade, that's for sure. I guess it got pounded on earnings. Not for me. Docs, you shorted Docs? At 80? Oh, nice double top in Docs. So Lou just pointed this one out, right? Double top was 80. I don't see it trading at 80. Got the 79.90. Yeah. I don't see it trading it. So didn't get to the spot. Yeah, BNTX is bouncing. They all did. Kadir. BNTX, Coin, Myrna, and UPST. All bounced nicely. So, you know, do I want to get caught and lose money on the short side now? Not unless I have levels. You know? I'm not going to pick a spot now. See, it doesn't matter where a stock was, guys. It only matters where a stock is going. Okay? So just because it went up $11 doesn't mean it's a short now. Sava, I see it. I'm getting Sava coming out of my yin-yang here. Hold on. You know Sava's my favorite stock in the world. All right. Small at 112.22. Small, guys. You know I hate Sava. SAVA. Let's do it. 112. You know it's going to bounce $2 right now, guys. That was the low that you're going to see. 112.22. I like it, though, if we go down $10. That's good. Flag out again at 1760. Let's look. All right, we ain't getting there, Luke, but okay. I guarantee Sava goes up $2 from here. Myrna couldn't quite get to the trend. I think UPST will go down $5 from here at some point, but I can't tell you where from. I guess this morning was the time to short the Sava that we were looking at. You know, it was at 213. We had the 90 RSI. We had 5 days in a row up. This morning was the time to short it. Options or whatever. That was the time. For a swing trade, I took David's course and the chart set up do Sava good. Excellent, Bruin. Cool beans. Yeah, this Sava's just not a favorite stock of mine. And look at that, guys. As soon as we put it in, it bounced $2. So what else is new? Look, we're going to miss a lot of trades, too. That's part of trading. Yep. Again, AMC's a better buy than sell. I wouldn't be in a hurry to sell AMC here. Wow, Tesla's down $33. Jeez Louise. Meanwhile, Sava's not even down on the day anymore. I mean, upside. I know, we should just buy a market order. So, guys, the course is at WallStreetGlobalTradingAcademy.com. You can pay in 3 easy payments, and you'll have my mentorship every Thursday night. For those who want a free trial in a room, dgreen927@yahoo.com. And we'll squeeze you in. I know. As soon as we put our order out to buy Sava, it went up $2.50. Lab D. This is not going to have a big range, Luke. But you want to try it? Okay. It's fine. Hit my numbers. I'm out. Excellent, Ken. Get out of here. Yeah, I mean, Lou, you can try it small. Palantir. Again, I don't see much in Palantir here, guys. This is another one. The earnings came out. I mean, I like Palantir long term, but it's not a trade right here. Everything just popped a bit, guys and girls. Even NEO went up a little bit, but it's not a trade. Yep. What do you got in that one, Supreme? It's a stock you're in. Not setting up for a trade. Berna almost got to the trend trade. I don't know, guys. I don't want to run in and short these things now. Let them do what they got to do. I think the best part of the trading day is probably over already, to be honest with you. I mean, choking on UPST at 196, whatever it was, and now it's up $6. All right, we sold a little VIXY. That's good. That's good. AMC to the moon. Diamond hands AMC, guys. Now, we will short AMC at 35.85. That I like. For shizzle. That'll be really stretched. But otherwise, it's a better buy on a pullback. 35.85, we're all over it. FLGC coming in and UPST double top. Yeah, I like UPST double top. I don't have to look at it. Oof. Guys, did you get FLGC at 1760? I didn't think it would ever get that. I canceled it. Yeah, I mean, we had 1760 out. It was the exact low. You're holding AMC since $50? I hope it goes back up there for you guys. I don't know. Again, we're just trading, Web. Something sets up. Guys, did anyone get FLGC at 1760? I don't know if enough traded there, but take your profits. It just went up 44 cents off that. Yeah, I don't think anyone got it either. I didn't get it. I don't like Neo. I do not like Neo here. I have a level at like $35 that I like, if it could get down there. I think weekly chart. Yeah, around 35 bucks. Yeah, I mean, FLGC gave a 50-cent trade. What do you want? From what do you know, that's great. Not going to get more than that. 50-cent trade is great. Ah, Kurt. Yeah, you're not alone. You're welcome, Maria. Plug ripping. Good call this AM on staying away from ACY early. Let's look. ACY. Yeah, that was $36 this morning, right, Brian? Jeez Louise. Moxie, again, there's another one in Moxie, guys. You like Moxie, you buy it, you put it away, and you hope someday that it goes up like it did before. Sono's a bloody mess. It's kind of just hanging out here. I don't see much to do. Myrna, $4 off the trend, but I think it just missed it. So here's your trend trade in Myrna, guys. Look at this. I don't know if it exactly hit it, but 361. There's your trend trade. It just went down $5. Wow. Yeah, I don't think it hit it, though, Alex. Yeah, I don't think so either, Ken. That's what I'm saying. Came close, but I don't think it ever hit it. Maybe a double bottom will set up in that now. UPST. No. Not for me, Joe. No. This thing, how could we trust this on a trend? If it was $15 lower than where it is right now. I can't. I can't do it. I cannot do it. Sono looks like a better buy than sell. I don't see it doing much here, though, Mike. Plug Power. There's another one. That was a high flyer that the bloom came off the rose. Yeah, I don't like Plug Power either. Keep in mind, everybody who's joining us on Benzinga, that we are day traders for the most part. We will do swing trades and options trades when they set up. Docs is a better buy than sell, Christian, on a trend. Yeah. We do options. We do swing trading. But our focus is on actively day trading and trying to put some money in our pockets every single day on average. The last 10 days, I can tell you guys, in my room, guys, how's the last 10 days been? It's been freaking insane. I mean, it really has. Knock on wood. So we're traders. That's what we do. FLGC at 1587. Let's look. Yeah, the last 3 weeks have been pretty good. That's why when we have a losing trade, it's not the end of the world. We get out of our losing trades. You know, even in the upstart, you know, I never had more than 30 or 40 shares. Yeah, I like 16, but that'll be a halt down there, Lou, if we get there. What are the dots across the chart, and what are their levels? Those are pivot points, Reader. Reader, at some point for my Reader, you're a regular now, right? Yeah, I'll have somebody do a lesson for anybody who needs it on getting the chart set up and anybody who has any questions about it. Okay, we'll do that during this week, yes. We'll help you get your chart set up. Those of you who have a problem with it. Yeah, they basically are like another moving average, Reader. And they tell us, you know, where we might want to make trades, buy and sell. So we use them like we would another moving average. If we don't have a using average, like here's an example in Myrna. All right. Not that it worked because it got way below it, but here's an example where we could have used a pivot point for a trade. It's a support level, just like a moving average. So basically held that level, went down a little, but, you know, then bounced up. Same. Look at UPST, how close it came to our 188 pivot point. This one was really close. Look at this. We had 187.40 and it went down to 188.20. So it missed that pivot point by like, 50 cents. And we were trying to buy 188. We missed that by 28 cents. Happens. What do I think about JMIA? Let me look at PayPal first. PayPal's a mess, Mike, sitting in the middle of everything, right? So generally speaking, when we put up a chart, if a stock is just sitting here doing all this nonsense, we're not even going to look to trade it. It's not doing anything. AMD, nope, we ain't getting that at level, and I don't like it anyway. DOGC, DOGG, I don't find it. JMIA, Jamaican Me Crazy. It's another one. Used to be a high flyer. This looks horrible on a daily chart. It looks horrible on a weekly chart. They don't make any money. $70 this got to. Not for me, JMIA. Not at any level. NVIDIA is another one I always love long term. Long term. It's going to have its pop up. It's going to have its pop downs. But long term, I like NVIDIA always. NVIDIA and Apple. Those stocks are just buys if you ever get a significant dip. AMC coming to the short level. All right, good. I like it. 35.88. We're there. We want it fast, right? If we spike right up to this 35.88 level, we're basically $2 from where we were 10 minutes ago. We'll get a 25, 50, 75 cent pullback if we can get there fast. But again, we want fast. If we don't go fast, it ain't a good trade. Facebook looks like a better short here, William. Down at that 357 maybe level. Mara's one that's going to trade with Bitcoin, right? I don't see anything in Mara right now. Kind of just hanging here on the daily level. Nothing exciting. Why can't I short AMC? Who knows? Sometimes they take it away. Sometimes they give it. It's weird. What platform, Therese? Pins, I don't see anything I like either. Pins, another one. Since the earnings, it's been horrible. Gap down and no bounce in pins. Not good. Not good. Not going to do it. All right, AMC, do it now or forever hold your peace. Let's go. Round and round. Let's hit that 35.85 right now. Facebook short. Let's look. No, I said it looks like a better short, Bill. It looks like a better short. That's what I said. Don't run in and short it now. I mean, the buy in Facebook could be 356.70. That could be the buy. Yeah, I don't know why. I have it on Interactive Brokers AMC, but a lot of people in my room can't short it. Weird. Strange brew. I don't know why. I don't know why. I can short it on the hard to borrow program. All right. Well, if it doesn't do it in the next minute or two, we're not going to be shorting it anyway. So let's go. Speak now or forever hold your peace. Round and round. Come on. You can do it. You can do it. Round and round. What goes around comes around. I'll tell you why. Fairy tales can come true. They can happen to you if you're young at heart. This one we're going to come real close and not get it. And And it's going to go down from here now. Now or never, baby. All right, we're in. In a little bit at 85. We'll have like a 30-cent stop. Let's see how it plays out. It's going to stay really strong. We want to cover half at 65, guys, for a quick 20-cent profit if we can. Covered half. Boom. How about we go to 52 and we get out of the trade for a nice 30-cent profit? 35.52. Round and round. You had 88? Yeah. Yeah. So, I just had a couple people in the room in a cheap stock like this that did 2,000 shares. They took 25 cents out of it, and they just made $250. In what? A minute? In a minute? Literally? What the hell's wrong with that? You can't go down another 10 cents, you piece of crap. Do it. Do it. And we're out. Thank you very much. Another 35-cent trade. Boom, chaka-laka. Next. All right, that made it up for our little Sava debacle this morning, which wasn't really a debacle, but whatever. So again, everybody, technical analysis, right? AMC. It went up $2 and exactly hit our pivot point. That's telling us that it's gone up too far too fast and just gave a 50-cent profit. So, if you sold 1,000 shares, which a bunch of people in my room did, you made between $300 and $500. How long did that take? 30 seconds. That's technical analysis, guys and girls. Chris, your first short? Nice. Catherine, you got that one? Good. Excellent. Everybody should have got it. We had it up there for 10 minutes, right? So this is what we teach you guys. This is the technical analysis you're going to learn in the course if you decide to buy it at WallStreetGlobalTradingAcademy.com. And then I'll mentor you every Thursday night. dgreen927 at yahoo.com if you want to get on the waiting list for a trial or the room. I know some platforms don't let you show it. Don't let you short it. And also, guys, Benzinga. You got 30 shares. So Brian, guy in my room, Brian, got 30 cents on 1,000 shares. So that's $300, right? It took literally 35 seconds to make $300. Myrna? No, I'm not. I can't buy Myrna. Maybe a double bottom Myrna, right? That'd be down $13. Right? I like that. So you see today, guys, Dave, you are a gem. I was reading both sides of day trading Reddit. Other people say TNA is bullshit. They don't know what we know. Thank you. Listen. Yeah, who cares about anyone outside this room? JJ, technical analysis might not be important for fundamental and long-term trading, but as far as day trading is concerned, I don't see how you can do without it. But whatever. Again, I only care about the people in this room. I don't care about anybody else and my Benzinga family. Tommy made 300 on a short in AMC. He shorted it at 35.85 and bought it back at 35.55. 1,000 shares, made $300. I couldn't trade without technical analysis. Maybe there's people that can. I don't know. Again, I only care about my Benzinga family and the people in my room. That's it. We don't care what anybody else is doing. I wish everybody, of course, the utmost success, and I want everybody to be able to figure this out and make money doing it. I know it's not easy. A lot of people can't figure it out. So And you can see how AMC just went right back up to that level. The stock is a long, okay? The stock is definitely a better buy than sell, but it doesn't mean we're not going to have opportunities to trade. And that goes for every stock out there. I mean, the stock is a buy. You know, if we go to the daily chart, okay, we could just be starting to break above some levels here, right? No, don't do AMC again. First time only. So I'm looking daily and weekly at AMC, okay? So we got some very big resistance levels coming up. 3650 is gigantic. So if this thing could get above 3650, it could probably see 40 again. But it's a huge resistance level. So let's see what happens. But we don't do it the second time up, Richard. Myrna, let's look. Not the second time up. Again, maybe a double bottom in Myrna, which is 349. That'll be down 12 points. So I would try a double bottom in Myrna. I'm so lucky I got the course from an email blast and then found this place like a month before we got full. So lucky. My pleasure, Kurt. Docs, NVIDIA, let's look. Yeah, NVIDIA is not one of my favorite stocks, but a better short than buy. I wouldn't be buying NVIDIA. Yeah, 193.50 would work in NVIDIA. Yes. Docs. Round and round. Docs just hit the trend at 78.70. If you did something, did it get there? Nah, missed it by 3 cents, K. Almost got there. I want to buy this man a beer. Not necessary. Not necessary. We're trying to give people the best shot they can at actually being able to figure out how to do this. And anyone who's been watching us on Benzinga can see that, well, we make on more trades than we lose. That's all. You got something you have to learn. It's not something that comes in a week or 2 weeks or 3 weeks. And, you know, to me, the mentorship is the most important thing. There's a million courses out there you can go buy, but is anyone going to meet with you every Thursday night and answer all your questions? That's what you need, because just getting a course is very difficult. Very, very difficult. So that's Wall Street Global Trading Academy.com for anyone who wants to buy the course. Yeah, I lost 70 grand. And I guarantee, Gavin, most of the money, and that sucks, first of all. That sucks. But I guarantee, I don't guarantee, but I would guess that most of the money lost was probably from listening to other people and doing some of these Reddit and meme stocks. And you tell me if I'm wrong or if I'm right. Dave, you are the best trainer. I have learned trading from you. And next month, I am job full-time trading. We'll join your live trading. Thank you, Hearing. But Gavin, you tell me, was most of it from following other people and getting caught in some of these crazy stockarinos? I mean, Sava, again, look at the trend, guys. Sava set up for a trend trade at 117.75 and has gone down $3. Yep. But you see where the short was, guy? Look at our trend. Our trend was 117.70. That's the short. I mean, this could make a double bottom. Well, look, let's put a marker at 112.20 in Sava. That's down $6 from where we just were. And we have a pivot point down there. So you were asking earlier about, and the spread has gotten much better in this now. 112.20. It would be your far from moving average trade down there. And here's your pivot point. We don't have a moving average, but we got a pivot point. Too many bad calls from other people. Yeah, that's usually what it is. Thank you, Mr. Benzinga. Wall Street Global Trading Academy.com for anyone who wants to purchase the course. We'll see you on Thursday nights. I do have some room left in the room, guys. Now that I have figured out exactly, we changed our link and stuff. So anyone who wants to visit, that is dgreen927@yahoo.com. dgreen927@yahoo.com. I can squeeze you in probably this week.
I will drop that link as well, Mr. Green.
All right, last thing I got to talk about, guys and girls, as always, is Benzinga. And as a trader, it is just as important a tool to me, guys and girls, as my technical analysis is. And you will get a 2-week free trial. Okay. With Benzinga, I could not trade without it. Let's make sure we get that link up there again for everybody to see. It's not the Green Room Live anymore, though, Aaron.
That link it's not? It's a different link?
Yeah, well, that link is dead because we didn't have enough room for any more visitors. Just email me, dgreen927@yahoo.
All right, I'll drop your email in there. Sorry about that, guys. Ignore that link. dgreen927@yahoo.
That's where if you want to come on in.
Shoot,
you're welcome, D. You're welcome, D. And guys, again, 90% of the people in my room have Benzinga, and we couldn't trade without it. So 2-week free trial. Silly not to do it. And it was fun being with everybody today. We'll be back tomorrow.
Yes, sir. All right. Thank you again, David. And Zinger Nation out there, smash the like for David. I mean, we don't get often that we get a guy with this much experience that's this good at trading on the technicals, giving us his expertise for free. So smash the like for David. We do have SPAX Attack coming up right now. So David will be back tomorrow morning.
Excellent. Thank you for the opportunity, guys.
Of course. And stick around for SPAX Attack, y'all. This stream will automatically redirect you to SPAX Attack. Big show coming up with Mitch and Chris.